What is something that is in everything?
Something common between
Leaves,
clouds,
you,
and me. Yes, my friends. Something that is common between everything.
atoms, you might say. Everything's made of atoms.
But then, there are different types of atoms, aren't there?
The computer chips in my phone are made out of silicon, whereas this wood contains carbon compounds.
But if you look inside the nuclei or the cores of these atoms
Deep.
deep enough, then you will find the same beautiful things. And studying these same beautiful things, or the elementary particles of our universe, will lead you to understanding the science
Of everything. The Science of Everything is a new tutorial series I'm starting, which is based around the sciences of particle physics and quantum physics. Personally, I like these two sciences very much, so I'm very excited about this. I am quite looking forward to releasing the first video of the series in a couple of days, but new videos will be released roughly every 2 weeks, but depending on how busy or free I am, things might take up to a month, but I'll work it out. Well, don't forget the usual drill of liking, commenting and subscribing, and stay tuned for the first tutorial video of the Science of Everything.